I can't take it when I'm gone, 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 gone. No, I can't take it when I'm gone, 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 gone.
Alright, guys, just came back here again today. It's I think it's the 2nd of September, and I just got this little, it's probably about a pound. Let him go. It's using that same jig I did yesterday with that craw fatty as the trailer. Alright, see you guys. Hey guys, my line was wrapped around my tip, so I couldn't reel it all. I had to drop the jig in the water to try to shake it off, and this bass pulled, and I just had to set the hook, and luckily I had enough line. That's all. I only had about 3 feet of line out, but I caught him. Nice little chunk. Let him go. Alright, there he goes, guys. Hey guys, I just caught a nice bass. Really nice. Yeah, I ran out of those craw fatties, so I had to switch up to a Berkeley Havoc double spear. But that's a really nice bass, guys. Let's see how big he is quick. Oh my god, it's actually bigger than the other one. Alright guys, there's a nice 4-pound bass. Gonna let him go. Alright guys, there he goes. See ya. Alright guys, so all we're doing is using this same jig that I've been using for the past few days, but I ran out of those craw fatties, so I put on a Berkeley Havoc double spear. I'm gonna cut the tail in half so it can kind of get a double action. I'm just flipping it towards these logs, and that's where I just got that last big one. It was on a big fallen tree.